Hi everyone, my name is Maggie. In this webinar, I will show you a useful tool you can use for your business, which is to create professional business Instagram account. There is a lot of benefits having a professional Instagram business account. First of all, large user base. Instagram boasts over a billion monthly active users, providing a vast potential customer base for business to reach. Getting your business on Instagram allows you to reach more potential followers and customers. Second, share content information. People come to Instagram to build meaningful relationships with brands. Having a professional business Instagram account allows you to share your business contact information such as phone number, email, physical address, order links, and official websites with your customers. Third, get real-time insights. You can track your account performance using real-time data and learn about what's working well with your audience and what's not. Eventually improve your marketing messages, strategies, or even your products based on the data. Fourth, sell directly on Instagram. With 70% of shoppers looking to Instagram for their next purchase, it's time to open a shop right on Instagram. Instagram Shop is a perfect tool for any businesses can sell their products outside of their physical store. Fifth, obviously not the last one, you can engage with your community. Business owners can now build relationship with customers through one-on-one DM conversations, stories, and comments. So in this video, I will guide you step by step how to create a professional Instagram business account. We'll start by creating a personal account and then we will convert that into a business account. We will talk about what the differences are and how to use them. So if you don't have the app yet, let's start off by downloading the Instagram app from the App Store. You can also create an account on the desktop, but I will be showing the process on the phone since Instagram offers more tools and functions on the phone. Once you open the Instagram app, tap on Create New Account, type in the name. If you're creating an account for your business, you can type in the business name. And in this video, I'll be using a fake business name just for the tutorial. Type in the password, login for save. And for the birthday, it should be a real birthday because you had to be over a certain legal age in order to use some tools on Instagram. And then we can create a username. The username should be your business name as well. Keep it as simple as possible, no dash or underscores if possible. Right now, the name New Bean Cafe is available. So if the username you come up with is not available, you may try to add a word like official, or if your business is a local business, you can add a city name at the end. And we can verify by either phone number or email. And now we agree to the terms and policies. And now we need to upload the profile picture. And again, if it's for a business, it should be your business logo. Alright, now we have just created an account and we're officially on Instagram. In case you're not familiar with Instagram, I'd like to introduce the interface of Instagram really quick here. On the bottom of the screen, we have 5 buttons, and the one on the right is our profile page. The home button on the left is our home feed, where you can see the posts from the accounts you follow. And the search icon is the explore feed, where you can find inspirations and find accounts to follow, of course. And then the plus icon is where you go post content, including post, story, reel, and go live. And last but not least, the video icon is our latest favorite on Instagram Reel, where you can watch short videos just like TikTok videos. So before we switch this personal account into a business account, I'd like to show you a couple of examples of business account. The first one is a coffee shop's Instagram account. Urban Backyard NYC. You can see that they have their business bio fully set up. You can see the clickable address button, which can lead us to the Instagram map, which you're gonna see it in a second, and also the Apple map. On top of that, you can also contact the business by sending direct messages or even call them or email them directly on Instagram as well. Last but not least, you can also visit their website where you can learn more about the business, see the menu, and other informations. The second type of business account I like to show is for e-commerce or retail. So this one's for Glacier, a beauty makeup brand. The biggest difference you see here is the Instagram shop where you can see the product catalog, and what's even better, you can have the product tags directly on your post, and it's also linked to your website. Okay, now we're back to our personal account and we're going to switch it to a business account. Before we do that, we want to make sure that it's not a private account, so it's not restricted from the public. And then we go back to the settings, scroll all the way down to account type. And then we click on switch to professional account. We keep continue. And now we can choose a category can best describe the business. Obviously, it's a coffee shop in this case, and you can choose to display it on your profile or not. I would suggest to display it as it would give the audience a better understanding of your business. And we choose business. We're almost done here. Now we can add an address. If you have a physical store or office, definitely add an address so your potential customers can easily find directions on Instagram. And now we can add a phone number, and this will be turned into call button later. I will skip the Facebook page for now as we are only focusing on Instagram today. So now let's complete our profile. We're gonna add an external link, and this is going to be the website link, newbeancafe.com. And then we'll fill in a short description or slogan in the bio section. This is not the best slogan, it's just for placeholder. Okay, now we have 5 more steps. Just make sure that you click on them all and complete. So I want to come back to the email to change it to a brand business email so it's more appropriate for the customers to contact. And you also have the option to add a call to action button with a third party tool. Last but not least, make sure you turn on display contact info, super crucial so that we can have leads and conversions from Instagram platform. Okay, now we're pretty much done setting up the account. Let's start posting. In this video, I will do a static post just to showcase the steps. So first of all, we need to choose a photo. You can also choose multiple photos or even a video. And then we add a caption. You can also choose to add a geolocation tag. This could be your business location. And we can add some hashtags which can give your post more reach and impressions. You can add hashtags up to 30 hashtags on Instagram, just don't go above 30. Okay, now we have our first post up on Instagram. You can also share the post on the story to get more exposure. I will post more posts at the beginning so that Instagram feed looks better, prettier, rather than being empty. You can choose to post with text or no text for the story. And this is what our story looks like. Now moving to the next part, the most useful tool for marketers. So Instagram offers real-time insights for professional business accounts. You can see the data within the last 90 days and can easily pull up and compare the data during this period of time. On the Insights dashboard, you can see the numbers of accounts you reached, engaged, follower growth, even followers demographic data, content engagement, and more. Okay, now let's talk about communication and interaction. There are some communication tools business should utilize on Instagram, such as save reply. You can save answers for some commonly asked questions and create shortcuts. So you don't need to type out the same messages over and over again. Another similar tool is this frequently asked questions, which allows you to create FAQs that comes with automated response that save business owners or account manager a lot of time when they manage the communication. So how do we manage comments and messages? Click on this heart button on the top right. And now you can see all the notifications, people who follow you, who like your posts and comment on your posts. Make sure you reply to the comments to keep your followers engaged. And here you can see the private messages. For increase in messages from accounts that you don't follow, make sure you check the request inbox and move them to primary or general inbox based on your priority and then reply. So now we have all the essential information and content set up for the account, but don't forget to follow and engage with the community. Make sure to follow some accounts that you are interested or are in the similar or related industry of your business so you can catch up with the latest trends and news. So that's a walkthrough of how to create an Instagram business account, and there's so much more you can do to optimize and then actually can start seeing sales leads conversions from the account. So I'd like to share more tools that you can use to manage and set up your Instagram game. First of all, we have Canva is a great online graphic design platform that is used to create social media graphics and presentations. It comes with tons of design templates and is a cloud based. So it allows you to share and collaborate with other team members online. Second, we have Linktree. Linktree is a social media reference landing page, and it is our ideal link in bio, which allows you to include multiple links on the page, such as links to your website, your shop page, your menu page, your press articles, email collections, subscribe to my YouTube, and much more. And then we have Hootsuite. Hootsuite is our old friend. It's a social media post scheduling tool platform that allows you to plan and schedule your content, your posts in advance, and also offers a social media insights tool. And then we're moving to Adobe Creative Cloud. It comes with all sort of photo editing, graphic design, motion design, video editing tools, and they are indeed one of the most advanced and professional tools in the industry. And also as TikTok and Instagram Reel got more popular in the recent years, there are many more video editing apps you can find and can easily use them on your fingertips. And last but not least, of course, we're going back to Instagram. you have to stay on the platform. Scroll and engage and learn about all the latest trends and updates in order to succeed in the Instagram world. All right, that's all for today's webinar. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We have QR codes of our USPAACC, the CNPP website, new media, social media, Instagram account, and of course, our new media's website QR code as well. If you are interested in learning more about the CNPP program, scan the USPAACC QR code and sign up for free consultations or learn more about the service they offer. And if you have any digital marketing or social media related questions, don't hesitate to reach out to New Media. Thank you for watching the webinar.